So first of all, we are going to import the package model for our game. For this, let's go to the Unity Asset Store. So first of all, you need to just sign in. I am continue with Google. I'm going to use my ID. So you need to make sure that your Unity Hub login ID and the Unity asset store ID should be same. If that email ID is different, you cannot import the file. So we are going to search for the one assets known as Pandazole. All right. So you can see lots of the assets. So this one is the Pandazole is very good assets for our game. So we are going to use this farm branch pack. So let's click on it. So this one is in free, and you can see I have already added this asset in my account. So you can see the add to my assets if you are new to this package or the asset. So you can just click on the add to asset and do the rest of the, you need to accept the more asset, and after that we will import that asset in our project. So to import that asset in our project, we just need to go in the Windows section, go to the package manager, and you can go to the my assets, and you can search for the Pandazole, and you need to click on the import button here. So this is the asset that we are going to use in this project. So let's click on the import button, and it will take some time, minutes. Okay, so as you can see here, that project is imported. Oops, but you can see I am encountering the pink material. So you don't need to worry, you just need to go to the material folder and click on that material. All right, then go to the edit section, go to rendering, go to materials, and convert selected built-in materials to URP. URP means universal render pipeline. After that, you can see this will be the assets that we are going to use in our project. So see you in the next video. Thank you.